very good morning. How are you? I hope all fine. So today I'm gonna install the Python program and I'll be configuring with the VS Code, and also the same I'll be configuring with the Udo framework, which we'll be designing for the Python with integrations, right? So yeah, let's get started with the installations for the Pythons, right? So Pyt. So first you have to type पाइथन. इट विल रिडायरेक्ट टू द वेबसाइट एंड यहाँ से आप डाउनलोड करोगे. जस्ट ट्रिगर डाउनलोड्स एंड अभी 3.12.12 वर्जन अवेलेबल है, बट आई वुड प्रेफर नॉट टू डाउनलोड 3.12. आई वुड प्रेफर टू डाउनलोड पाइथन 3.12.3 versions, right? So once it is installed, you have to go to the installation page and now run as administrator. It will redirect to the yes no options, and yes करने के बाद you have to choose the custom installations. Before that you have to use it, give the admin privileges आपको देना पड़ेगा, and add python.exe path. Now go to the custom installations, right? So you have to select all the Python packages and the TCL Python test suites and the py launch, because once you will program it will be redirect to the because क्या होता है ना, यहाँ पे पाइथन का जो एक्सटेंशन होता है .py, so PyCharm is also available in this, so you don't need to go anywhere. So the next installations you will be doing, so the install 3.12 versions install, right? Just checkbox on कीजिए आप, and the download debugging binaries, and also the debugging instructions you have to also download the samples also, right? So this is the path browser where you will be installing now. अगर आपको इसको ब्राउज़र, अगर ये पाथ को चेंज करना है, यू कैन चेंज इट द पाइथन का ब्राउज़र जहाँ पे इंस्टॉलेशन हो रहा है. इट इज़ कॉलिंग द प्रोग्राम फाइल्स इन द पाइथन 3.12 में. So just hit the install button. Now it is installing. Once it is installed, I'll be showing to what is happening now. So just wait a moment, and once it is installed, I'll be using the command prompts for checking the versions, and will also printing the program as well. So it's taking a while for installations, so wait for a moment. So the basic motto is to use the functional as well as technical part from this framework. I'll be using the Odoo framework, which is completely built on the ERP functional kind of things, and the organizations and the enterprise using the front ends and the back ends, right, to execute the functional for their businesses. So we will be focusing more and more on the functional part. So whatever the customizations we would be having, we will be doing it practically and we'll be customizing it. So purely because I am in the because I am from the finance background, so I'll be completely more concerned on the finance and operations, CRM, SCMs, and all kind of things. Yeah, we'll be also executing the website kind of things. So yeah, be in touch with these channels and also hit the subscribe button. So yeah, it is installing now. It is taking a couple of times. Yeah, then now my installation is completed. Now I'll be closing it. So after once it is installed, so I'll be using the command prompt. You have to press the window R button, or you can also type the search bar as a CMD command prompt. So yeah, CMD I have typed it. So what I'll do, I'll be writing as a command from Python a space hyphen hyphen version, so it will redirect to the what versions you have submitted for, right? So Python, it is telling the Python 3.12.3 version has been installed now. So now what I'll do, I'll be using the py to execute the Python program. So yeah, just press the hit button. So it will be redirected the Python 3.12.1 tags, copyright credits, license for more information. So yeah, so the instruction is the instruction दे रहा है ये कि आप अब Python का programming कर सकते हो. So I'll be printing it, print print double semicolons, and I'll be printing anything, so it will be printing uh, 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 let's print udo program. Okay, so now what will happen, the python, so why I have written let's print auto program, so what will happen, it will print let's sudo program. So anything you can execute now. So print double colon 10 plus 10, so what the result will be, it will be 20. So yeah, definitely print. So if I'll be writing 10 plus 10, it will be getting 20. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So I'll be also running these programs with the same line with words. Ideally as it is completely for the Python inbuilt uh, text type. You can write the program as well into this also. So what I'll do, I have opened the ideally cell in which I'll be writing the program. So the same program I'll be writing print let's print let's program with Odoo. Anything you can write here and you can execute the program as well. So yeah, the let's program with the Odoo prime. If you want to add something or less something, you can also do it, right? So what I'm writing here, 10 plus 10, what the result will be having, 20. So this is the program it is executing now. So I hope this video will be liking you from your side, and if you like that, please hit the subscribe button. And जैसा मैंने instruction there, you have to keep it downloads and you can use the IDLE or the command prompt to execute the program. So the next step I'll be having the connecting with the VS Code and other tools like Odoo framework I'll be installing, and I'll be configuring it as well. So be in touch with us, and keep subscribing, keep sharing. Thank you so much for watching the video.